Yeah. The multiculturalism. Yeah. Well, we got True Lime. So yeah, throw another steak on for a while. Yeah, got our wool gloves. Ow. Well, crap. Summertime. And the living's easy, man. What a freaking mess. Just make me another cup of coffee. Think about packing up. This is cool. I ran across that. Salted caramel hot cocoa. That sounds good. Sounds good too. Oh, yeah, hot. The old lady weather report. Snow's supposed to fall at 11 and continue all day and night. Oh, pretty close. Oh, we got 35. Cool. Tide 10 a.m. Low. What do we got down here? Where are we? Low tide 10:25. High tide 4. So I got hours. I got all day. What the fuck is that? Where the hell did it come from? I've been seeing this thing around for a couple of days. Kind of interesting. Fucking gunship. And it's armed too. Very weird. That's why they made sewer pipe and wire rope. Oh man, beating it. I'm getting beat.